Welcome to the log cabin. This is the first log cabin that I built on this land. That's the first tree that I dropped, as you can see over here. And these are the logs that I put in for my first log cabin. I just want to put this video to show you guys what I did for the first 2 years I was here. This was in 2020, just the time of the COVID. As you can see over here, nice logs. As you can see, these are all the blocks I had for my foundation for the log cabin. So I had to put this all level before I could do the floor. Just to let you know, see, this is the first part that I did on the floor, and I didn't have too much video when I did the first cabin. I was not planning to do a YouTube channel, so that's why you're going to see a lot of pictures and some videos. This was some log I had to bring at the cabin. I had to drive maybe like probably 900 meters before. As you can see, the trailer is done. I gotta buy something else.
Thinking about putting the bathroom here and the kitchen on the other side, and the living room will be in front. We did our first corner at the very end here.
This was on June 2020. This was the first part of my building the log cabin. I had to put the first log and I had to cut them in half. Now that I have all the wires passed through here, I can finally finish the floor. That'll probably be done later on. As you can see over here, all the wires has been passed through the logs. This is where all my electrical is going to be. As you can see over here, finally did the frame for the windows. You can see over here I had probably around 8 logs put in, maybe more on certain place. That was still a lot of work. If I can remember right, this was probably in August or the beginning of September. This was a log that I had a hard time putting by myself. I put my 2x4. It was a lot of work doing the frame. It took probably me about a couple of days doing this. And I know on the next weekend we're going to do the second floor. This 2x10, they're pretty heavy. Well, it's a beautiful Sunday morning. We had around 30 centimeters of snow last night. And what a great day to do some work at the cabin. When you're by yourself, folks, see this? So it takes a lot of more work, but that's fine. I'll find a way to put them on top. All right, there we go. Almost got it. Just throw it up on the second floor. Got it. Finally got the frame done on my second floor. Now I got to put those 4x8, and later on I'll put something better than that. This is just for starting. That's the only thing I had for now. Now, this is going to be fun. Look at this. Not that bad at all for one person. Finally got about 5 done.